The Phobail Dance Night is going to be epic. It's happening this Monday, the 8th of August, and these guys are all on the bill. Now, Jojo, tell me, how excited are you?
Very excited. It's surreal as well at the same time. It's only out the back door, so to be playing to your own crowd, it's surreal.
And Connor, this is your first time playing the dance night?
It is indeed. I'm sort of buzzing, but at the same time nervous. But I'm playing to my own crowd, so I'm just looking forward to it, and I know I'll play a good set.
Now, Dara, have you got your set list ready? How do you choose?
Don't know, I need to see what time I'm playing at and what sort of crowd. You gotta read the crowd who's ours.
Now, Paul, you're a resident DJ here in the Beehive. Are you excited to play to 10,000 people in the Falls Park?
Very excited, absolutely buzzing for it. Cannot wait. The Phobail has always been an absolutely unbelievable show. I've played it a number of years and I'm really looking forward to getting back.
Well, I'm looking forward to the dance night. I hope you are too. So make sure you get your tickets. And guys, if you have anything to say to the guys, will you see them there?
See you all on Monday. You.
Eloise Garland is one of our female DJs that is on the bill for this year's dance night. Are you excited?
Do you know what? I'm absolutely buzzing. I actually can't wait to be part of it. And there's actually 3 female DJs on the lineup this year, which is absolutely fantastic.
I'm playing to a home crowd. Is this a dream come true?
Do you know what? Yeah, it really is. I can't wait. See, being from West Belfast and having people from West Belfast coming to support you, like friends, family, it means an awful lot. So it does.
If you have a particular dance song that you want Eloise to play, she promises, do you promise?
Of course.
Yeah, she promises that she will play it, so leave it in the comments below. The Beehive are proud sponsors of this year's dance night. Phil, it's just around the corner.
Yeah, it's right on our doorstep. We are really looking forward to it this year again. It's obviously great to get everything back to normal. The dance night have been a great sponsor for numerous years now, and it's been a pleasure to be involved with it. We are the official after party for it. Great to see local talent getting on the lineup. We have a couple of guest DJs on the after party, so please get down early, get down and enjoy our night. It's generally just a nice vibe, and you can feel it in the atmosphere and in the area and on the road.